Hi, good morning. So we are going to the supermarket, honey, or in the city to buy something. Thanks, cake. So, mo na akong outfit, guys. Kagwapa sa bayo.
Really cute.
O, di ba? So, maato mi sa city, guys, kay magkuan mi kanang mopalit mi mag grocery, dayo mopalit sa kong mga accessories sa ako ang GoPro Hero 9. Guys, padulong namin sa Minterio sa mi, guys. O sa mi maadto sa city. Hala, guys, pwede yung tugnawa, guys. Kabana ka kong bana. Oh, di ba? Pila na akong gitsuot, guys. Tulo ka bo t-shirt, jacket, nag-jacket na sad.
Okay. We will see what happens.
Oh my god. Katog na. Di open ano yan. Open sesame. Then ako rin mo serado ron ani. Gawas na amo ang sakyan na. Okay. Ouch! Okay, sarado na siya. So, sakay na ko. Okay. Oh my god. So, I need to have this one. It's necessary, judge siya. Okay, magtingog ang sakyan na. Diba? There are so many cars here, guys. Diba? Kuso kay managa ng mga sakyanan rin, guys. Nagfag-fag pa dyan. So guys, na meron diri padulong may cemetery, guys, kay managkot sa taon mi. Uy, ana ba, di ba? Ay dili siya not literally nga managkot. Pero mo bisita mi. Ay ngano man jud usually akong buhaton pag maabot ka sa Germany, mo bisita sa mi sa iyang mama og sa iyang isukon. Usa na tong mga laglaag, di ba? Katog na, guys. Ay ginoo ko. Nagko gid imuhang talar bibang dere, guys. Diba?
Cool.
Yeah. So una, guys, ganahan ko og winter para maka-experience ako piting pugnawa karon, guys. Mura naman gyud kang naa sa ref, guys. Uy. Pero na jud tugnawa. So mao na ilang mentaryo, guys. Ingani kalinaw ilang mentaryo, guys. Oh. By the way, naggamit ako karon og GoPro para sa ako ang vlog. So, more okay. Oh, handsome man. Hey guys, nanami diri sa interior, guys. Lapok man siya ni. Lapok. Yeah, I'm here already. I just want to visit her, guys. Actually, guys, when I visited here in Germany, of course, matudyo ta sa lubngan pud. Hello. His mother, his brother. Okay. Yeah, it's really dirty, honey, right?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
But there is a caretaker in this area, honey.
Pardon?
There is a caretaker.
Yeah. Yeah, this company.
Yeah. Ano na siya guys.
You can see the
Guys,
dirty
look at
milk.
it. Look guys, oh. So guys, nanasad mi sa sakyanan. Where we gonna go, honey?
We will have a look over there in the small supermarket. Maybe it has already opened and we can buy something.
Okay.
They had a few offerings. If not, we will go.
So guys, we are here in Penny. Do you have it there?
Correct.
So guys, but how much is this, honey?
€1. It's not so much.
It's just that. Diba? Loya guys. Is kabalo mo guys? Kuan ra ni 50 is city guys. Samantalang din na sa Pilipinas, pelting mahala 500 grams na siya. Guys, bintaha diri guys, kay dili ra ka siya bugnaw. Guys, mga mahala. Guys. Cuts and all, it's fine. Cuts it. I'm gonna place it here, honey. I'm gonna place it here.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
It's warm.
Yeah. Namuan siya ko I guess. Diba? Oo, sa Beda City na. So guys, nanasad mi diri sa sakyanan. So padulong nami mo uli human nami og grocery. So thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and of course to follow my Facebook page Marjan Durog. I'm here in Germany for 3 months. I gonna take you all the good places here in Germany together with my partner, and have a great day everyone. I love you all.